Hello, this is a new video about how to use or how to apply formulas to multiply in the best, easiest way polynomials. In this case, we have two binomials, a plus b times a minus b. Remember, when you have to multiply, this is equal to the difference squared of each term, okay? So first we have to assess the expression if we have a plus b and a minus b. It's very important that you check that you have a here. A is 2x. Also you have b. In this case, b is the number 3. So you have a plus b times a minus b. So a plus b times a minus b is equal, the formula says, it is equal to a squared. So I'm gonna use parentheses. A is 2x squared minus, the formula says minus, b squared, and b is the number 3. So we have to apply rules of exponents. This exponent is gonna affect to both of them. 2 squared is equal to the number 4. X squared is just x squared minus 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9. So the solution is another binomial, a difference square, okay? Second example. Again, I'm glad that you check that we don't have any symbol here, it means times. We have plus and minus. Also the first term is y squared. That y squared is common here. This y squared is here, also here. And the other term is 3x and also 3x. It's the same number, the same expression. So according to the rule, the formula, it should be equal to the first term square minus the second term square. But the first term in this case is the expression y squared. And the second term is 3x. So this is equal to y squared. You have to apply the rule of exponents. You have to multiply 2 times 2, 4, minus. Remember, 3 squared is 3 times 3 is 9. X squared, you just copy x squared. I want that you observe that your answer should be a difference, like here before, like the first example. Okay, let's see the next example. We have, before to start, remember to subscribe, please. We have in the number 3, 1 plus 8 times mn times 1 minus 8 mn. Okay, we have here, we don't have any symbol here, we have positive and negative. Remember that we have to identify that this is the number 1, this is the same than this expression, and this second expression is the same than this. Should be a plus b times a minus b. So this is equal to the first expression square minus the second expression square. So the first expression is the number 1. The second expression is a times mn, or amn. So 1 squared is 1 times 1, it's 1. And 8 squared is 8 times 8, 64. M squared n squared. Remember, this exponent is going to affect to both. That's the reason I use the parentheses, okay? Because if you use the parentheses, you won't have any problem. You want to have the correct solution. Look at this situation is very particular. Usually the students, when they see this kind of expression, they say, oh, that's so difficult. No, look at this. This is positive and this is negative. The first expression is 8 with the exponent x plus 1. Here is the same. The second expression is the number 1. So we have a plus b times a minus b. So according to the rule, this is the first square minus to the second term square. So the first term is a with exponent x plus 1. And the second is the number 1, just this number 1. So this expression is going to be equal to a. So this number 2 is going to multiply to the exponent. So 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 squared is 1 times 1 is 1. Remember, this is important. This is the rule of exponents. When we have an expression, this is a binomial, okay? We have to multiply with the number 2. You just distribute and you multiply. 2 times x, 2x, and 2 times 1 plus 2. And 1 squared is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to the number 1. Next, again we have m squared minus 2 times m squared plus 2. We have the same situation. The first term is equal to the first term. The second term is equal to the second term. But I want that you observe this difference. You have negative and positive. You can apply the rule, yes. Remember, if you have negative and positive, you can do that. Also, if you have positive and negative, yes, you can apply the same formula. But if you have two negatives, you have to apply a different formula. So only you apply the formula when you have positive and negative or negative and positive. So the first term is squared minus the second term is squared. The first term is m squared and the second term is the number 2. And remember, m squared is m. You have to multiply the exponents, 4. And 2 squared is 2 times 2, 4. So your answer should be m with exponent 4 minus the number 4. Finally, we are going to apply the same rule. I want that you observe that you have a positive expression and a negative expression here. Also, you have the same term, so you're going to use the parentheses am with the exponent 2 minus the second term is b n with the exponent 2. So this is going to be equal a to m minus b to n. So this is the final solution. Okay, guys? So I invite you to subscribe and contact me if you need some